That's racist. Look at Musk, he's doing it again.
Yeah. Gotta love Musk.
Well, when you zoom in, it looks like a real rocket. Go get him. There's the contrail. Nice. Oh yeah.
It's a lit one. That's cool.
Yeah, right at sunset. Nice.
Nice, a little bit late, but it's pretty.
We're gonna get a reversal too. Reversal fork. Because he's landing right at this one out of Kennedy. So Kennedy's right there. Coco's more that one. Oh, look at that.
This one's going over us. Usually it doesn't go in this direction.
Yeah. They're gonna let out a bunch of little satellites. They're gonna fly out 500 satellites or some shit. Or no, that's Sunday. I don't know what this
Where's it gonna come back down?
is. Well, it's gonna land at Kennedy. They're gonna land the thing back.
Oh wait, oh okay, it's starting to make the pulse.
Yeah.
You're gonna see like a couple of pulses.
Oh,
Yeah.
there it is.
And that's where it separates and it's gonna be like a jellyfish coming back down.
Yeah.
There we go.
Look
There's
at
the
it.
separation.
Wow, this is the best one I've ever
Oh
seen.
my gosh. Look
There's
at
the
that.
separation.
Wow, look at that.
Awesome.
Holy
Awesome.
That is cool.
Here's the one coming back. Maybe it's gonna land on us.
Wow.
The two come back. I think it's two. I don't know.
Comes the
They said
booster.
two. They did say two.
Two coming back.
I thought it said two.
Yeah,
This
because
one's
no,
going, this one's-
because there's always two booms. There's
Yeah,
two
but
sonic
one's-
booms.
Yeah, but it's only one comes back. One booster.
All right, Pete could be right.
No, I know it's not.
That doesn't look like it's saved.
Oh, okay, now he's
See?
pulsing.
Look at, you see the plume. Look at. Where's that landing? It's gotta be in the ocean.
No, 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 back on the pad. That's why we'll hear it. Yeah, that's why it's gonna boom.
Yeah, that's going up and this one's coming back.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wow, that's a cool contrail right there.
Wow.
That one's gone, this one's coming back. I don't know why we're not seeing it.
Oh, there
Oh,
it
there
is.
it is.
Yeah.
Yep, it's coming back. See it? Now it's coming
He's
back
making
this
a
way.
little jellyfish maneuvers.
It's amazing that you could see it.
Yeah, it's got to be like hundreds of feet high. No, he's getting the binocs.
I know, now I can definitely open up now. Oh, one of my lights is not.
It's gotta be going this way. You can see it?
Yeah,
There
yeah.
it is.
It's like a little star.
That's gotta be the-
So Sunday morning, that early morning one is supposedly landing at the pad again too.
a land.
It is. It is. She's dropping as slow as a
Oh,
flare.
there it is.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Cool. Oh, it's like a launch going down.
Yeah, they said it was going to be amazing. There it is. Oh, there was a bird, and they shut it off,
Wow, she's going down fast now.
and then they'll wait. Yeah, now it's coming down pretty quick.
Oh, dang. We're
You
gonna
gotta slow
hear that.
down.
We're gonna hear that.
Where is it?
Coming down over here. You could barely. You'd have to be on it to see it. It's got to kick again.
Look at the shadows from the contrail, the rays. You see that?
Yeah, I lost it now.
You'll hear it though.
Yeah, you're gonna hear it. It's got a boom. There should be a big boom. There it is.
Oh yeah.
See, now they're slowing it down. They're slowing it down. Now you should hear a boom when it hits.
In 3, 2, 1.
Should be a boom.
It's amazing.
There it is. There's
That was a
rumble.
car. No, it's gonna be like a cannon.
Usually it's a boom.
All right. Everybody relax and ignore it, and that's when it'll happen. Oh, there it goes. No, that's my air conditioner. Dog's gonna freak out.
It's got to be down.
It's got to be a boom. It's guaranteed.
There it is.
High five.
You're right. It was a boomer.